Solutions are the homogeneous mixtures of two or more than two components. Binary solution. A solution having two components is called a binary solution. Components of a binary solution. It includes solute and solvent. When the solvent is in solid state, solution is called solid solution. When the solvent is in liquid state, solution is called liquid solution. When the solvent is in gaseous state, solution is called gaseous solution. Concentration. It is the amount of solute in given amount of solution. Mass by volume percentage. Mass of the solute dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Molality is the numbers of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Molarity is the numbers of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Normality is the numbers of gram equivalent of solute dissolved per liter of solution. Solubility is the maximum amount that can be dissolved in a specific amount of solvent at a specified temperature. Saturated solution. It is a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at the same temperature and pressure. In a nearly saturated solution, if dissolution process is an endothermic process, solubility increases with increase in temperature. In a nearly saturated solution, if dissolution process is an exothermic process, solubility decreases with increase in temperature. Henry's law. It states at a constant temperature the solubility of gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of gas. In other words, the partial pressure of gas in vapor phase is proportional to the mole fraction of the gas in the solution. When a non-volatile solute is dissolved in a volatile solvent, the vapor pressure of solution is less than that of pure solvent. Raoult's law. It states that for a solution of volatile liquids, the partial vapor pressure of each component in the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction. Volatile component or gas is directly proportional to its mole fraction in solution. In case of Henry's law, the proportionality constant is Kh and it is different from P10, which is partial pressure of pure component. Raoult's law becomes a special case of Henry's law when Kh become equal to P10 in Henry's law. Classifications of liquid-liquid solutions. It can be classified into ideal and non-ideal solution on the basis of Raoult's law. Ideal solutions. The solutions that obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentrations are known as ideal solutions. The intermolecular attractive forces between solute molecules and solvent molecules are nearly equal to those present between solute and solvent molecules. That is, AA and BB interactions are nearly equal to those between AB. Non-ideal solutions. When a solution does not obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration, then it is called non-ideal solution. The intermolecular attractive forces between solid molecules and solvent molecules are not equal to those present between solute and solvent molecules. That is, A and BB interactions are not equal to those between AB. Types of non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions showing positive deviation. Non-ideal solutions showing negative deviation. Non-ideal solutions showing positive deviation. The vapor pressure of a solution is higher than that predicted by Raoult's law. The intermolecular attractive forces between solute-solvent molecules are weaker than those between solid-solute and solvent-solvent molecules. That is, AB less than A and BB interactions. Non-ideal solutions showing negative deviation. The vapor pressure of a solution is lower than that predicted by Raoult's law. The intermolecular attractive forces between solute-solvent molecules are stronger than those between solute-solute and solvent-solvent molecules, that is AB greater than AA and BB interactions. Azeotropes. These are binary mixtures having same composition in liquid and vapor phase and boil at constant temperature. Liquids forming azeotrope cannot be separated by fractional distillation. Types of azeotropes. There are two types of azeotropes, namely minimum boiling azeotropes, maximum boiling azeotrope. The solutions which show a large positive deviation from Raoult's law for minimum boiling azeotrope at a specific composition. The solution that show large negative deviation from Raoult's law for maximum boiling azeotrope at a specific composition. Colligative properties. The properties of solutions which depends on only number of solute particles but not on the nature of solute are called colligative properties. Types of colligative properties. There are four colligative properties, namely relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point, depression of freezing point, osmotic pressure. Relative lowering of vapor pressure. The difference in the vapor pressure of pure solvent P01 and solution P1 represent lowering of vapor pressure P01 minus P1, relative lowering of vapor pressure. Dividing lowering in vapor pressure by vapor pressure of pure solvent is called relative lowering of vapor pressure. P01 minus P1 by P01. Relative lowering of vapor pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction of solute. Hence, it is a colligative property. P01 minus P1 divided by P01 equal to X2. Elevation of boiling point. For a dilute solution, elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to molar concentration of the solute in solution. Hence, it is a colligative property. Depression of freezing point. The lowering of vapor pressure of solution causes a lowering of freezing point compared to that of pure solvent. The difference in freezing point of the pure solvent TF0 and solution TF is called the depression of freezing point. Del T equal to TF0 minus TF. For a dilute solution, depression in freezing point is a colligative property because it is directly proportional to molar concentration of solute. Osmosis. The phenomenon of flow of solvent molecules through a semi-permeable membrane from pure solvent to solution is called osmosis. Osmotic pressure. The excess pressure that must be applied to solution to prevent the passage of solvent into solution through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is a colligative property as it depends on the number of solute particles and not on their identity. For a dilute solution, osmotic pressure pi is directly proportional to the molarity C of the solution, that is pi equal to CRT. Osmotic pressure can also be used to determine the molar mass of solute using the equation M2 equal to W2RT divided by pi V. Isotonic solution. Two solutions having same osmotic pressure at a given temperature are called isotonic solution. Hypertonic solution. If a solution has more osmotic pressure than other solution, it is called hypertonic solution. Hypotonic solution. If a solution has less osmotic pressure than other solution, it is called hypotonic solution. Reverse osmosis. The process of movement of solvent through a semi-permeable membrane from the solution to the pure solvent by applying excess pressure on the solution side is called reverse osmosis. Colligative properties help in calculation of molar mass of solutes. Abnormal molar mass. Molar mass that is either lower or higher than expected or normal molar mass is called abnormal molar mass. Van factor I accounts for the extent of dissociation or association. I equal to normal molar mass divided by abnormal molar mass, or observed colligative property divided by calculated colligative property, or total number of moles of particles after association or dissociation divided by Total number of moles of particles before association or dissociation. Value of I is less than unity in case of solute undergoes association, and the value of I is greater than unity in case of solution undergo dissociation. Inclusion of Van der factor modifies the equations for colligative properties as relative lowering of vapor pressure of solvent P01 minus P1 divided by P01 equal to I N2 divided by N1. Elevation of boiling point del Tb equal to I kbm. Depression of freezing point del Tf equal to I kfm. Osmotic pressure of solution pi equal to I N2 RT by V.